Brittany Renner claps back at critics on single mothers having no value. What? Single mothers don't have any value? That's crazy. Why would you say something like that? That's crazy. I'm troubled. All right, let go.
Single mothers have no value. Okay. It's my preference. I don't want to be with a single mom. Okay. We live in a feedback system. I don't need 100 men, 10 men, 5 men to choose me. All I have to do is choose myself, and my outer reality will reflect that. Because, baby, I ain't in the business of convincing. And I think these conversations that seem to only happen on social media because and they don't translate in real life. We're here, but we're not here. I think it's important to like separate what's a podcast conversation versus what people actually care about. All the men that have reached out to me as of lately have no children and want several. It's easy to debunk these regurgitated, echoed narratives. A lot of men want to control how other men see women because they don't want them to want you. They don't want them to be able to see you. They want you to go put yourself on the clearance rack. Consider the source. There's a difference between high value and high quality. High value is Scar. High quality is Mufasa. I choose me, and everything in my world chooses me too.
All right, Miss Brittany Renner, man. She's been what's the comments? She is oftentimes on social media, I would say, going back and forth with a lot of different things. Like one week she's here, the next week she's there. One week, she's displaying herself like she's for the streets. The next week she want to be conservative. One week she's in this religion, the next week she's in that religion. She's following behind Kevin Gates, being a Muslim or whatever. I don't know what the heck went on with that, because it seemed like she was only like that for maybe a month, maybe less than that, man. So it's hard to say where this young lady's head is with that. Now, what I will speak to, which is the title, right? Talking about single mothers having no value. I don't think, or I would like to believe that most people aren't saying that single mothers have no value, because of course they have value. They have a child. Like, you have a purpose. It's the reason why you're here. Like, you're looking after somebody. Um, but when it comes to the dating market, this is the thing, right? Because I know she's speaking about podcast conversations versus real life. I would say that most of those guys that are on those podcasts, most of those men are single guys, and they're speaking based on their preference. And most of those guys, most men out here, from what I've heard, according to the facts, data, and statistics that, I hear a lot of people talk, most guys don't have any children. Most guys don't want a woman with children. Most guys want to start their own family. And not saying that single mothers don't have any value, but does your value go down if you have children by another man that you're no longer with? And now you're in the dating market? 1,000%. 1,000. And I know a lot of people they butts kind of tight because of this. Don't get in your feelings. This is just what we have constantly heard, whether it be public interviews, whether it be on a podcast, men just kicking it in barbershops or whatever. They've been saying this for years, because I'm going to tell you, and fellas, feel free to comment down below if I am wrong. What a guy sees when he sees a single mother. Damn. She got kids by another guy. Dude could be a handful. I don't know. The kid could be bad. I don't know. She still could have ties with her ex. I don't know. Could this be an easy little bust down? Maybe. Hey, I'm trying to get in where I fit in. And I would say that most guys aren't really looking. Not all. Some, not all. I think that most guys are just looking at single mothers as a quick little get in and get out. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. I'll come, like what she was just saying, and it came out of her mouth, not mine. Most guys that are hitting me up say they want more children. Hmm. So what are you, a damn incubator or something like that? Like they just go, no, my bad. So guys are coming to you. They're not asking you to be their wife. They're not asking, and I think that's still crazy for a guy to go to a woman and say that, they want to have more children with her after seeing the type of behavior that she's displayed across the entire internet. You're going to this, but there are certain type of men, if you can read in between the lines, there are certain type of men that will be willing to accept this type of behavior. And I would say that the majority of those guys aren't what you would deem as respectable, respectful leaders. Guys that she will look at as wanting to be, her husband. Because if that was the case, I think she would have already took those guys up on their offer. But I think that most of the guys that are checking for it, because if we're talking about quantity and we're talking about quality, I don't think that most of those guys are on that quality side. Because if they were, this young lady would not be single right now. She would be in a relationship, in a marriage with the white picket fence, and not be in all of this doggone drama with the father of her child. Because if we look at somebody like Sierra and Russell, Sierra is not really, and it's been a minute since she's done kind of went back and forth and stuff with what's my boy's name? My bad, Future. It's been a minute. I think that Russell actually has her in a good space because when you actually have options, and those options are quality options, and those options take you serious, and they put a ring on your finger, and they're like, "Listen, I'm here to take care of you, make sure you good." You're not gonna be like this. You're not gonna be on doggone social media, you know, trying to argue this single mother. When I tell you, you can look at Sierra, and I ain't gonna lie, I had a lot of pushback for Sierra in the past, for from how she was moving. I'm man enough to admit that. You know what I'm saying? But if you look at how she interacts with everybody now, it's just, I don't know, man. It does seem like she's in a better space. But Brittany Renner, again, continue to get on here and go back and forth about things. But at the end of the day, we're gonna sum this up before we get up out of here. I do believe that as a single mother in the dating pool, your value has decreased. It has not increased. You have less men and less options, especially when we start talking about quality, when you give your womb to another man. It's just plain and simple, especially when it's outside of wedlock. If you didn't, get married or whatever, because men of value are going to ask these questions because they know and understand that this is an investment. Whether you want to look at it like that or not. Like, marriage is a contract. The biggest the biggest, and I don't think that I can really think of anything outside, like even maybe more than a child. The biggest financial decision that you make each and every day is the type of person that you sleep with on a day-to-day basis. Who you choose to give your time, your attention, and even share your resources with, like, that is the biggest financial decision that you're going to make. So this is an investment, whether you want to look at that or look at it like that or not. Hate it or love it, that's just a fact. And again, I'm gonna stay firm on what I just said. I do believe that single mothers do have value. Absolutely, 1,000% do have value. But in the dating market, single mothers do, if you are a single mother, your value does decrease when you have a child by another man. And yes, that also means that your options are less. That does mean that the type of guys that are probably going to approach you, this is some, not all, you're going to have maybe quantity, but that quality is damn sure going to increase. I'm telling you, or decrease. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and go to the next one, man. Again, huge shout out to Brittany Renner, man. Keep doing your thing. Hopefully, this young lady will come to the front of the congregation and realize there are men out there that will probably still take Brittany Renner, as she is. Probably some decent guys, right? Um, but she's gonna have to work on herself. That's the bottom line. I don't care who you are. I don't care how fine you think you are, how nice your body is, how good your sex game is. All of that stuff is just going to keep a person around temporarily. You want to keep somebody around long term, then you make those adjustments up under the hood, not just making sure your paint and your wheels are clean. It don't work like that. All right, but I would love to hear from y'all. What do you guys think about this Brittany Renner single mothers having no value thing? Love to hear from y'all.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa, too bad was you know